morning.
We just woke up and the time check. 8:36 a.m. in the morning.
It's so
The
cold.
temperature 13
Mas
degrees.
malamig ngayon kesa kahapon.
And wait. Today's our last day in camping. And wait. Can you have this here? Wait. I did this. Look. Time to wake up. To wake up, Daddy.
7:30 gising na to eh. Kami nakatulog. Sobrang lamig, guys. Umulan pala kagabi. Pero mukhang dry na ngayon. Whoa.
It's really dry outside
It's dry na.
today.
Even our slippers are dry.
Even the slippers.
Ayun.
They're just cold. Hi.
Tulog pa yung mga kapitbahay natin. Sa labas.
Hello, guys. I am really hungry today. I told that I am really hungry. Why?
You want some?
Hello, guys. My chocolate milk was just finished, and it's really cold today. And this is our last day of camping before we go home. And the total trip going home is maybe 1 hour 50 minutes. Yeah.
Magluto muna tayo, guys, ha? Hanggang ngayon?
Warm.
Oo.
How does that happen?
Malamig ngayon. Ang ating pagkain ay longganisa. Tsaka itlog. May suka. Wala na rin kasi kaming kamatis. Naghugas nga pala akong plato ko kahapon. Itour ko pala kayo mamaya doon sa washroom. Tsaka hugasan ng plato.
When I tried to ask for personal hotspot, when I tried to use your personal hotspot, there was a notification, and I pressed it, and then I tried to enter your passcode, and I did it.
Good job. Great.
Good, right? Yeah.
Umulan kagabi pero buti nag-dry na. Kaya mas easy nang mag-pack up ng tent. Mahirap kasi pagbasa. Na-try na namin last time. Talagang kailangan mo pang punasan.
I'm really hungry.
Okay.
I'm
Ako na.
cook longganisa. And then, wait, where's the lighter? And then, wait. Wait. Mommy, wait. Mommy.
I'll leave 2 for you. Okay. Okay.
Oh, look.
You're gonna say.
Ooh.
will do this, because it's gonna burn you. I know, this frying pan is so
You're very helpful, you know that?
I know. Maybe siguro. Ayan. Ha? Okay lang.
Oh, look at
May egg tayo, naluto na. Hotdog and longganisa. Gutom na si Kian eh.
And I now have a hungry warning. Super hungry. No food in my tummy.
Hindi kasi to kumain kagabi. Aliw sa campfire. Kumain. Hot water na lang yung kulang.
Hi guys, the SD card is really full right now.
Nauna na siyang kumain. Gutom na. Kain na. Last morning dito at alis na kami in 2 hours.
And then after this trip will be our Winnipeg trip. No, mine.
Here first. Yeah. Wait.
Thank you.
Super hot na. Okay na.
Okay.
Lagyan ko na lang ng kanya. Hindi niya may kain na tayo.
We're gonna eat now. I'm
Mhm.
really hungry and I'm eating my already.
Nilagyan ko na. Try mo muna. Kasi mawawala yung lasa. Walang sugar yan.
Oh, wait, don't do it. Maybe just let the smoke out, I think.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, kain na. Mamaya itour ko kayo. Medyo gahul na kami sa oras. 2 hours. Maybe 1.5 na lang. Nagro-ronda kasi dito yung Parks Canada. Pag umaga, madalas ang ronda nila.
Yeah.
Kasi wala silang home base
What's
dito.
Rhonda?
They roam around. Thank you. Sunog.
Like Rhonda Baptist like us? Somebody else?
Teacher. Madam Rhonda. Okay guys, mamaya na lang. Punta tayo guys sa washroom na may hugasan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Anong itsura. Hindi ko pa na-share sa inyo eh. Dami na rin ang gising ah. Ito siya. Nagro-ronda dito eh. Ayan. Madami akong dala guys. Di ako makaturo. Pero ito yung washroom. Panglahatan siya babae, lalaki. Ito nga yung warning nila eh. Bear warning. Kahapon pinuntahan kami. Sabi, may bear sighting daw dito. Yung laging nag-iisang bear na andito. Kaya pina-empty yung mga gamit sa amin. Food and kung ano man. Ito yung hugasan. Hugas muna tayo. Kahapon din nag-wash na ako dito eh. Laki lang. Ito siya. Barado yung isa. Dito na lang ako. Actually, both barado. Daming tubig. Dito na lang ako sa gitna. Hindi na ako nag-wash, guys, kasi sobrang barado yung mga sink. Pakita ko sa inyo yung isang campsite dito na ang ganda. Kahapon pa nga walang tao dito eh. Gusto ko lang siyang ipakita sa inyo. Ito yung likod niya. Lapit pa siya sa washroom. Ito oh. Ganda ng likod niya. Diba? Pag matutulog ka parang white noise. No. Ang galing. Naka-zoom ko. O, diba? Ang galing nga eh. Sabihin ko kaya Ivan, sama niya si Kian. Para punta sila. Sabihin ko kay Ivan eh, hindi na ako nakapag-wash. Ang dumi dun. Bawal maglagay ng pagkain sa sink, pero dun nila ine-empty eh. Ayan tuloy barado. Ningal ako. Paakyat kasi ito eh. Mamadali. Una ka na. Ano na rin na sinakiyan eh. It takes a long time. Hindi na kinaya ng power bank namin. Nalubat na yung isang malaki. Yung maliit, hindi kaya, no? Yung maliit na power bank. Yan, dyan na lang sa kotse. Naubos kasi kaka-charge namin. Ayun, no? Siya na in charge dyan.
Yeah. Daddy's
At ako
gonna
na
be in
nagligpit
charge of
ng
the
mga
frying
iba.
pan.
Naglagay sa mga
Look.
gamit-gamit.
No.
Para organized. Ayun, no? Uwi na. Madami na rin nag-aalisan. For the weekend lang kasi rin yung iba. Kamukha namin. Hindi namin alam kung may isa pa kaming camping this year. Pero baka last na rin ito. Dahil pupunta tayo sa Winnipeg.
Winnipeg!
Yun na yung 40th celebration ni
Winnie,
Ivan. Ang
Bottle dip.
pag-celebrate sa
Cock.
40th niya with
Cock.
his family.
Coquillage.
Ayun na. Last look. Dinala ko na silahan dun sa may campsite dun na may wala pang naka-check-in dun.
Dapat pala, sayang. Hindi ko alam na
Oo.
river pala yun.
Oo nga. Pero available ba yun? Kasi 2 days nang wala dun, no? Ayos
Baka
ah.
last later sa day.
Oo, pwede. Ganda
Look at
yan ah.
this.
Wow, good job.
Okay, left. Then we put it together here. So on the side there. You go there. To the other end, like this. Yeah. Bring them together. Yes. Okay, grab here. Yes, that's it now. Just hold it like that. Okay. And then grab the other hand there. And maybe like this. No, like this. Okay, go. Go on the floor. Yeah. Attach them together like this. And even the top here. No, you don't have to put it inside. Just no, you don't have to. Just yeah.
Your daddy's little helper?
You help Dad?
Yeah. We're gonna go to Calgary. We're gonna leave Castle Mountain Campground from Banff to Calgary.
How many hours?
1 hour 50 minutes.
Ayun guys, so dito ko na siguro tatapusin din yung vlog natin. Sobrang napagbigyan tayo sa panahon at saka nag-dry yung tent natin. Kasi kagabi, nung patulog na kami, around 12 midnight na rin yun. Umuulan, umaambon. So ayun,
Yeah.
buti na lang ngayon is okay yung weather.
And
Kasi,
now I'm charging this battery.
kasi kahapon, umaga for breakfast, kung naalala nyo dun sa nakaraang vlog natin is umuulan. So salamat guys sa pagsama sa vlog natin today and we'll see you in our next one.
Goodbye.
Thank you, campsite.
Thank you for our campsite.
Thank you, Castle Mountain, for the campsite. Or saying goodbye to you. This was the last day.
Dito na pala. Kapag pala umikot doon. Okay lang naman. Labas na rin naman.
Mommy,
Good?
Yeah, good.
now can I have your gimbal?
Wait lang, no.
I'm gonna charge it.
I don't know if there's mountain here, but...
Just see trees.
Oh, may mga nag-aabang na.
Ito pa.
Dito
Ah,
yan.
bus.
Bus,
Bus
ha, yeah. Ito. ayun.
Galing sila dito. Sa
Mm-mm.
campsite and magbabas sila. Papunta.
Camping ulit, di ba? Sa Stampede. Nasama siguro tayo sa kanila if ever. Ganda nung tambay natin. Siguro kung di pa umulan, nandun pa rin tayo kagabi, no? But it's okay, kasi baka 9 o'clock gahol na sa oras, no?